This is the 4th day of doing my first engine swap on the Z. Today, I'm swapping parts from this engine to this engine. I gotta swap over the harness. I gotta remember where all this shit goes. Little 10 right here, and there's another 10 right here holding this shit. There it is, come on baby. Okay. And then this sensor. Another sensor. This can go, whatever that is. And for the O2 sensor. Let's see what this engine talking about. Alright. Where do I start? There it is. Okay. Well, torqued. Cool. These hoses are pretty good. This ain't even the same. I'm about to swap over so much shit. We're gonna have to make this work. We're getting somewhere. There's 2 grounding points here. Alright. Why do I have 2 though? Hope this works. Can't forget the grounds, that's important. This goes down. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to swap over the other alternator, dog. No shot. This is gonna be interesting. I have to swap over that cooked ass alternator. This goes here to this plug. We put the O2 sensor through here. And this shit. This probably goes right here. Just bent it. Ah, my finger. Damn. And I disappear. Fool. Boom. And that's the wire harness swapped over, bruh. Oh. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be it for me today.